My name is Jonathan Worster. I'm pleased to introduce you to the Tramonto project. Some years ago, the client purchased this particular property. They recognized that there were several strengths that lent this one to a particularly good development opportunity. So they got plans, they permitted it, they had the design approved, and they invited us to come help them with the structure. As we were demolishing the structure, we began to model the structure, building our own building information model with all the structural components. And as I was really absorbed in the plans, I had a suggestion. Well, what if we pull out the raised floor, we drop to a slab on grade? But as we were going down, it occurred to me that not only could we go down to a 9-foot ceilings, well, we could go way down to add a basement. When we initially presented this idea to the clients, they were surprised because it wasn't really anything that anybody had talked about before or thought through. And it wasn't even clear that it would be possible without a very expensive foundation system. But they allowed us to explore this further, and eventually we found out that we could, in fact, add a basement.
Once we poured the foundation of the basement, we began setting these CMU block walls to avoid the cost of time-consuming and expensive formwork as most of the general contractors do on these areas. Thanks to all of our installers and our quality control team, basement is coming together quickly and precisely.
As we digitally carved out the section of this basement, one of the things we did to maximize the ceiling heights was to go down. We created a sub-basement mechanical pit for air distribution so that we can have underground ducting. That way we don't have any drop ceilings and we can enjoy the natural structure as it's being installed. That becomes the finish and the ceiling height has been maximized.